superstar. I'm a superstar.
I just feel very proud to be a citizen of India and very proud to be a resident of the city of Mumbai and indeed the state of Maharashtra. I've said this many times before, and I'll say it again, that of the 73 years of my life, more than 45 years have been spent in this wonderful city of Mumbai, and everything that I may have achieved has come to me during the time when I was in this city. And I want to thank this city and the people of this country for having made this privilege for me. Tourism has been given a huge boost by many statistics and lovely visuals that we've seen here this evening. I would merely be repeating all that has been said. I just feel that the promotion of tourism has been something that has been very dear to me. As brand ambassador for an adjoining state in Gujarat, we've seen the kind of benefits that it created. I do not know whether it will be counterproductive for me to be working as an ambassador for Maharashtra as well, but if there is any way in which my services can be utilized, sir and ladies, for the promotion of this state, for the promotion of tourism in this state, I shall be more than happy to do it. There are many informations that the people all over the world are unaware of as far as Maharashtra is concerned, and in particular, tourism. Recently, I had the privilege of joining forces with tiger preservation in Maharashtra. And perhaps many of you, and even I, did not know that the largest population of tigers in the entire country is in the state of Maharashtra. And normally people associate this with either Rajasthan or Gujarat or Bengal or the Sundarban area, but these are some of the informations that we are unaware of. So I do hope that through the wonderful aegis of this travel mart that has been inaugurated, a lot of this information, a lot of initiatives that have been taken will find some fruit in many of the delegates that are here today from all over the country. I've always believed that, that each one of us, every citizen of the country, when we travel outside our own country and go abroad, we are all ambassadors of India. How we behave, how we talk, how we conduct ourselves, represents and reflects what our country is all about. So next time when you go out, please bear this in mind, that you are not just representing an individual, you're representing your own country. And hopefully, by your conduct, by your behavior, I want that the foreigner should be able to say, I want to visit the land where this gentleman comes from. And that is how we can propagate our destiny. I believe that the World Tourism Day was celebrated yesterday, and one of the taglines that was conducted was, 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities. We all know that tourism is almost the lifeline of any country. If I'm not wrong, I think perhaps out of the 11 opportunities that people get for jobs, one opportunity in that, 1 out of every 11 job seeker has a connection with tourism. So you can imagine how important tourism is. I'll only want to end now by saying that the ex-president of the United States of America, Mr. Bill Clinton, when he visited India, he said some wonderful things. But one of the things he said was that the world will always be divided into 2 kinds of people. One that had seen the Taj Mahal and one that had not seen the Taj Mahal. And may I just say today that through this initiative that the Maharashtra government is taking, may we in time to come be able to say that in time to come, there will be 2 kinds of people. One that have seen Maharashtra and one that have not seen Maharashtra.
I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar.